Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing moisture and blocking sweat glands. That's the priority. Wash your hands and feet with antibacterial soap, then dry them completely for about 30 to 60 seconds. Once done, apply a clinical antiperspirant containing aluminum chloride to dry skin at night. This closes pores while you rest. Make sure to wear breathable socks and change them each day, because trapping moisture undoes progress. These quick actions reduce sweating and set the stage for deeper treatments. Next, you add treatments that target gland activity. Start using absorbent powders in shoes and rotate footwear at least 24 to 48 hours so moisture dissipates. If you want stronger results, try Antiperspirants, 10 to 20-minute sessions, 3 times a week, increasing intensity as tolerated. It interrupts sweat production by delivering a mild current through water. Make sure to continue nightly antiperspirant use. And if over-the-counter measures aren't enough after 4 to 6 weeks, speak with your clinician about prescription options. To finish, you create a maintenance plan and know when to escalate. Maintain nightly antiperspirant, scheduled iontophoresis or absorbent use, and always wear breathable shoes. Consistency prevents relapse. If symptoms persist, discuss botulinum toxin injections or surgical options with a specialist. These work by blocking nerve signals or removing active glands. If you get skin irritation, stop the product and reduce frequency. And if there's no improvement in 8 to 12 weeks, consult a dermatologist or neurologist to avoid wasted time and get tailored treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.